Hello students, welcome to Project for Circuit Branches Part 2. In this Part 2, we are going to see expectations from students for project and mini projects. All the formats related to project and mini projects are kept at formatsproject.home blog. This is Varsha Kiran Patil from ECE Department AISSMS IOIT Pune. Welcome you for these expectations from the project. The first thing that is taken into consideration is be habitual of application of your knowledge. Don't concentrate on curriculum and credits only, but you have to work for the that is application of your knowledge. In case of mini project and project, even if we are concentrated on the credits and marks, then also we can observe that 3 credits equivalent to 100 marks are given to mini project. In case of main project in BE, also we are having 5 to 6 credits reserved in various university for main project. So one has to be prompt for the examination scheme, also be prompt for the presentations, internal seminars, and the suggestions given by the guides. One can observe all these demos or all these that is seminar reports in formatsproject.home.blog. Let us see what are the expectations from you by the supervisors or guide. One has to sharpen the saw, but first one has to invest the saw. That is the thing that is true for projects. So first of all, students should start with forming of groups of students with professional attitude and team spirit. Choosing the right partners is one of the important thing for undergraduate project. Assimilation of knowledge, and it has to reframe and express it in efficient and effective manner. That is the second expectation from undergraduate students. One has to refer various journals, technical sites, and all the other related to application data sheets, etc. Students have to learn brand specific skills. Like in case of electronics, one has to learn for soldering, PCB, and all other related skills. One has to distribute the work among team members very efficiently so that the work will be in synchronized manner. Also, students group should procure their own soldering kits, breadboards, and all other related components. All the students should group should do the PCB artwork design using EDA tool which is appropriate for their project. One has to read government and private sector promoted schemes for startups, patents, and research call. One has to do time-wise planning of the project and work accordingly. If time is short, one has to increase the speed. One has to do enclosure design with AMI interference, grounding, shielding protocols, and understanding and implementing all these standards. So it is well said that sharpen the saw and you have to invest in saw also. So along with the sharpening the saw, one has to be prompt. How? To be prompt, one has to understand the application product development process with cost expenditure and bill expenditure. So bill of material is one of the important thing that one has to take into consideration. In case of students, in they have to recollect the knowledge of their second year, first year, third year in the form of design, and they have to assemble the components. Once they recall their engineering knowledge, they have to fabricate and build the circuit with modern tool uses. Once they have done this, they can code the that is whatever their logic, test the hardware, and verify the protocol. Once the protocol is ready, they have to apply for various competitions, meet the people, and also whatever they have read the calls, they have to apply for private or government sector, that is promoted schemes, startups, patents, or industry related project internships, etc. They have to develop their verbal and written communication skills. Now again, in case of these expectations, one has to take into consideration maximum group size of the students for undergraduate graduate project is supposed to be 3. So one has to go for the idea and prepare for three synopses, and these three synopses are handed over to project coordinator, referring the application notes, data sets, etc. All the related formats are given in the formats project.home block. One has to submit the synopsis to a project coordinator, discuss with the project coordinator and allotted guide. They allot the guide, and one has to meet the guide regularly and follow the instructions given by the guide. One has to understand the product development cycle with budget and refer the data sheet. Also, the students are expected to maintain the logbook and do the project on their own. So one has to have the technical communication has to be communicated in proper technical language. Also, they have to avoid the plagiarism, which is to be strictly avoided. Copy paste kind of thing should not be practiced by the students. Again, one has to have the planning and execution of the activities, like they have to design a proper enclosure, they have to have the PCB design, they have to do troubleshooting, they have to do compulsorily breadboard testing. All these things they have to do. How the monitoring of the projects? In case of many projects, it is the short period of let us say one semester, but in case of main project, it is a year long activity. So it is seen that students can do the work in 12 weeks if they are properly do the work given in following manner. So, in case of SPPU University Pune, they have given the monitoring schedule as follows. That is, week 1 is finalization of project and forming the group. 2, 3, 4, they are doing the design, and after design, they are doing the PCB artwork, and with appropriate EDS tool, do the simulation. And 5 to 8, week 5 to 8, they are going to procurement, PCB design, then they are testing all the things, and then they are doing enclosure design, fabrication, etc. Once this is done, uh, redefining of the, that is, project protocols with their supervisor, they are testing their final product and checking that is whatever the verbal presentations or written that is present, the written reports, they are getting checked from the supervisor. And in week 11 and 12, they are demonstrating the, that is whatever they have done to their supervisor. All these activities are captured in the logbook. So this kind of scenario, that is week wise schedule is there. So one has to refer all the standard format, and that standard formats are given on this that is blog. So it will be helpful for students. Thank you very much, students, for that is uh, getting accredited all the information related to what is expectations of the that is supervisors from you. You have to apply it in your, that is third year and fourth year projects. Thank